Okay, so when you get into the room, first thing is the bathroom over here, which has a really nice mirror. I don't know why I think it's out of focus. Why is that out of focus? So there's the bathroom right here, which has a really good mirror. I like the lighting. The whole lighting system is super duper awesome because puts the focus on your face and makes you look good. Yeah, so those are the lights right there. This is the blow dryer right here. This is the sink, all looking beautiful. Very nice material. Cups for whatever, brushing your teeth and whatnot. And that's the bathtub right there with a beautiful towel laid right on it. Everything looks so nice. Here's a toilet, the wipes, and the door, of course. So it's a really beautiful space. It's quite spacey, given the way hotel rooms in Cameroon are. So personally, in my own opinion, I think this is a really good space for a bathroom. It's really big, it's not very tiny. You can do your thing. And then we move over to this spot. This is one of my favorite spots as well. I love mirrors, so I know I like mirrors, but I just do. Yeah, so that's the mirror right there, and that is me in the mirror. Okay, and then we move this way, which is the bedroom. So the bed is quite big, very big. It's like a family. I don't think family, like a couple bed or whatever. And then there's this beautiful painting right here, very artistic. I'm still learning to understand art because it's a complex. Art has to be explained. Is that you have to learn how to interpret art. I cannot interpret art, so I'm learning how to do that. Okay. And then there's the nice TV right here. There's my laptop over there. Yeah, watching some YouTube videos already. And then I started unpacking, so that's my stuff there. And then my jacket on the chair and whatnot.